Shifting gears a little bit, we talked about technology a little bit here at the beginning of the conversation, and Joel, you touched on how fast evolving the space is, and there's something happening almost every day that's new and exciting, right? We can't be stuck on 2005, as you've mentioned. That's certainly not an option. How will technology and innovation like AI and precision medicine influence cancer center recruitment? How is this going to be a factor?
Well, I think that it's going to happen in a variety of different ways. I think that there are going to be enabling technologies that are going to be embraced. We talk about ambient dictation, AI systems, the ability to scan large volumes of records through natural language processing. That's an exciting development. Wearables, sending patients home with wearable technology so they don't have to stay in the hospital. That's another example. It's happening, and whether you like it or not, it's going to continue to happen. And I think the art in all of this is understanding the value proposition and the application of these technologies, just as if it were a new drug being developed. Okay, this drug does this. Well, how can you apply it to the benefit of the patient? But I would be cautious about, getting enveloped in the wave. There is, everywhere you turn, there's, a vendor talking about this magical AI solution that's going to solve all your problems. I would take all of that with a grain of salt. I think it's going to take a little while for some of that to shake out. But, again, if your expectation is that you're going to be on the bleeding edge of care delivery in the cancer environment, you have to learn to be open to adopting new things at an early stage. We are expected to be early adopters. So, there's a saying in IT, I think it's failing fast. If you're going to try something out and if it's not going to work, you want to understand that as quickly as possible before making a lifetime commitment to a new piece of technology that you're going to spend a lot of money trying to integrate into your organization. So again, you have to embrace it, but you need to be thoughtful and judicious in what you embrace and how you evaluate the merits of these different types of technology. But, AI technology not going away, still trying to figure that out. In the clinical space, the rate of evolution in therapeutic products is just incredible. Cellular therapy, there was a time when CAR T was considered this very, experimental therapeutic service. It's now, the standard of care for many disease sites, tumor infiltrating lymphocytes. There's even more coming beyond that. It's exciting time, but, understanding and being able to capture the value proposition of these products, understanding the viability of these innovations long-term, that's really something that takes a team approach. You have to get the right people around the table to understand these things and, again, make very thoughtful decisions about where you want to place your bets.